Okay, we're live
of
now.
code.
We be live.
We're live?
We be live.
Banana.
Banana. What?
Banana. Banana, banana, banana.
What you on about?
In pajamas.
Yes. Bananas in pajamas. Bananas in pajamas.
I am so confused.
Right.
What is he on
Hello.
about?
It's time for an hour of code.
Hour of
So
code.
this is just a pre-show, waiting for people to...
Of the hour of code. No, I should probably put my phone in silent before I get the email. And it was like, ba-bang!
Before you get a phone call, it deafens us all. Where did you download 8 from? Java 8 from?
From the Java download website.
You know
JDK.
nothing, Jon Snow.
It's going in a little slow. I think a lot of people are trying to get it.
Well, I got it 1 minute after, 1 minute before they actually announced it was live. Because I went on Twitter and it was like, oh, it's not live. I was like, oh, I already have it. Yeah. But like, I don't think that NetBeans link works.
No idea. Don't know.
What's that?
I don't know what. Nathan, what the hell are you on about? What's he shouting about?
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on.
Seriously?
You just...
Why did you just send a video
Really?
of me playing with my cat?
What are we doing today, Carlos?
I don't know. Oh yeah, I do. We're making a paint application. So we're gonna make like a mock-up of paint.
Whoa. Is it
Yeah.
gonna be better than paint?
No.
Oh.
Paint is
Because
quite
nothing's
good now.
better than
Though.
paint. Nothing is better than paint. Paint is the best application ever.
Woo. Yeah, some people might say that.
Knowledge bomb right there.
Base knowledge.
Deep.
Hmm.
Okay, so shall I start?
Sure.
Okay. So
Okay.
today,
So today we be teaching you
the C-sharps.
the C of sharp.
Do you know why programmers prefer Java?
No.
Nope.
Because they don't C-sharp.
Oh dear.
They don't actually prefer Java. But anyways, that was a joke.
Joke of the day. Joke of the day.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
no one's watching, so.
Why no one watching? Did we even get the email yet?
Nope.
Nope. No problem.
Nope.
Well, let's going on YouTube, people.
Eh. Anyways, let's start. First thing we're gonna do is to change the properties of our form. So I'm gonna change the the title, which is in text. I'm gonna call it my TechNewbs paint. That's gonna be the name of the form.
Wow.
TechNewbs paint, amazing name, I know.
Much amazed.
Yeah, I was inspired by the, I don't know, by the thing. Anyways, we're gonna set the default font to be Arial.
Comic Sans.
Comic Sans.
Yes.
Nathan said Comic
Everyone
Sans,
loves Comic Sans, right?
except the people that we, I don't know. Let's put Comic Sans 12. Okay, that's a bit too big. That kind of massively increased.
Never too big. Okay.
So we got Comic Sans. We should probably... No, that's fine.
Have you seen the guy on chat?
No.
What guy?
Justin Fan 443208.
My chat's not showing.
Is someone
Anything.
watching? What?
Nope. Did you get my message?
I don't know. Yes. Hello there.
What was he saying?
He didn't say anything. I don't think. I don't. What? I don't see that person in the chat.
Sam, I think you're lying to us.
Well, on my chat, he's there. I'll paste it in if you want.
Sure.
That's what I see.
Paint. Winding.
I
Yeah,
don't
that's meant
see
to
that.
be wingdings.
Oh, winding. Hi.
Is what at the same time he was talking about the area and Comic Sans.
Okay. Sure. Hello, Justin Fan. We love you.
So basically,
Is this guy just...
only you can see what he's saying.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Because I'm the coolest, clearly.
Sure. However you feel. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is get a panel, which is where we're gonna draw.
Shh. Why?
Okay. So we're gonna draw.
You my mind.
You're hiding. We are hiding. Be quiet.
Shit.
We're hiding.
Never mind. No.
This
Julian.
is like a reference to a TV
Julian.
show that I don't watch.
King Julian from Madagascar.
Oh. I like to move it, move it.
I like to
Move it.
Oh. Okay, continue.
Okay, we're gonna, after we add the panel, oh, yeah, we add the button. Well, Comic Sans. Well, well. So, we're gonna use this button to open up a color dialog. Okay?
Okay.
I've never used a color dialog before, by the way. So,
Whoa.
this is a first time for everything.
Hashtag first.
It goes under here, color dialog.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That Comic Sans.
I know, it's amazing. Let's go.
Beautiful.
Call our let's give our button a good variable name so we can identify it. I'm gonna call it button color picker, something like that. And I'm gonna set the text. I just realized the text does not actually show during the stream, but it's on your properties window where it says text, basically. So choose color. Might have to increase the size of the button so you can fit it there. Okay. So on your panel, let's call it panel drawing or something like that, and then set the back color to white so we can basically draw on white. What else can we have?
Dodge. Oh.
No.
No.
Hi. Oh. Hello, Michelle.
Mishi Mushi.
Mishi Monster.
Wait, that must mean the email's gone out. I haven't got it.
Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I got the email.
I haven't got the email yet.
TechNewbs just went live. You Gmail people. Okay. So I was thinking maybe of having like some sort of brush size thingy.
Whoa.
Yeah, I know.
Let's get the basics done first.
Okay.
Okay. So, we only have an hour to do this before the world ends.
Alright. So, like I said, I've never actually used the color dialog. But I'm gonna see if I can get some internet browser to use. Probably the one everyone loves. The internet from the explorers.
Best web browser ever.
It's awesome, you know? Like. Okay, so I'm gonna search for the color dialog. Yeah, color dialog C#
Gabby.
example. Alright. So I'm gonna look at the... Well, I was planning to look at MCDN, but if they have an example somewhere else, that'll be cool. So the idea is that whenever I open it, this box comes up. From Paint has it as well, so people use it there. Okay, so now this should be fine. That'll be the first thing to try, is to open the dialog. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. Let's do it as we click that. So get color dialog. So to do this, I need to first create the dialog result. So dialog result. So we're going to call it R equals to new. Is it new? No, it's color dialog 1. Color dialog 1 dot show dialog. So show dialog, and that should show it, suppose. And then okay, so this dot back color, this sets a color property. Okay, so if result, if R equals to dialog result dot OK, so if it gives the OK for it, basically we set this dot actually I'm gonna try and change the color of the button for now. Dot color back color equals to color dialog. Okay, color dialog 1 dot color. Okay, let's see if this works. So now I've got this. Let's see if this changes it to pink. Yep. And okay, so I got the color dialog to work. What else do we have to do? Okay, let's get the brush thing to work. So to do this, we first need to create a graphics object, because we're going to be working with graphics. So C# requires you to create a graphics object. I'm going to call it G. I'm going to create a pen object as well. Pen is used for drawing points and lines. So new pen, and then I'm going to set the color to black for now, and the size to 8. Okay, so because we're making lines, I'm gonna have to create something called a point. So I'm gonna call this start equals to new point, and I'm gonna create another point called end, so equals to new point. Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Nathan's
Why
back.
is everyone quiet?
I don't know.
Oh.
Sam is very quiet.
Oh.
He
says he's eating.
Yeah. Anyways.
Yeah.
So, okay. So before we continue, we first need to get the mouse down and mouse up methods from the panel. So to do that, we go to the events part of the properties window. It should be a lightning bolt, and it says events. Yeah, I can see it's not showing up, but yeah, it's just a lightning bolt. Wait, let me see if I can actually get this properties window out and then actually show it there. Yeah. Okay. That looks better, I guess. Okay. So I have the properties window with me now, and I want you to click events, and then go to... we're gonna need two methods. One is mouse. No, we're gonna need three of them actually. We're gonna need mouse up. So we double click it, go back to your form, get mouse move as well, and then get mouse down. Okay, so we now have three methods. One for when the mouse is up, so you're not actually pressing down a key. One when the mouse is down, and when the mouse moves. Okay. So, mouse down. Let's start with mouse down. When the mouse is pressed down, we set the start. We basically get the location of where the mouse is, and we set it to our starting point. So, the point will be an X and Y position, basically. So start dot. Start equals to e dot get. Or is it? No, it's e dot location, yeah, because this is C#. So e dot location should return an X and a Y value. And now we need to create something else as well called, that will gonna be a boolean that will tell our program if we are actually clicking down. So I'm gonna try and make the text a bit bigger as well. So yeah, we're gonna have to create a boolean. So bool drawing, something like that, equals to false. Set it to false first, so in the middle of an app is false. And then when we start the mouse down, we set it to true.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
But we'll only set it to true if we're pressing the left button on our mouse. So if we do if e dot button, and then you set it equal to mouse buttons dot left, then that will check and see if you're pressing down the left button, and set drawing equal to true. And that should make that is all for mouse down. Now mouse up is when you leave, basically when you leave the button you're pressing down. You just put drawing equals to false, so you're not actually drawing. Okay. So yeah, that's all for mouse up. Now we're gonna do the mouse that moves. So when the mouse moves.
So if you like click and drag.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're pressing down and the mouse just moves. So all we have to do is if drawing. So this would only work if drawing is true. So if drawing, then you do end equals to, remember end is a point, equals to e dot location. So we move to a different place. And now here is where we create the graphics. So g equals to panel drawing board dot create graphics. This will create graphics in the panel, and then you can just do g dot draw line, and then use our pen, and then start and end. So basically our 2 points. Okay.
Okay.
And then after each cycle of mouse moving, you basically set start to the end. So you can imagine that we start at one point, when another point, and then after we move again, that end will be our start, and that's basically it. So let's load the program, and let's try and draw stuff on it. Yeah, I can draw.
Woo!
So right now I'm creating very small lines as I'm drawing. So obviously this is not the best idea, but it does the job. So okay, now we've got the drawing bit working. Now let's make it so that we can change color. So go back to the button color picker click method, and here instead of setting the button color to that, we just set we should actually create some sort of variable. Nah, it's fine. Don't worry. We just set p dot color to the color dialog dot color. So this should change the color of the actual brush. Let's try it. Let's put blue. Yeah. Let's get some reds. Let's get some green and see if Sam's paying attention.
He is. He's eating.
He's saying.
What? I said he's eating.
I know, I want to know if he's paying attention.
I'm paying attention.
I didn't do anything. I didn't write.
Really?
I didn't write anything.
No, it's just loading now.
I'm the stream's still catching up. We're on p.card at the moment, so.
No, it just says
okay.
Sam is done.
What?
I didn't say that.
Really? Oh, man. This is a very nice answer, Carlos.
I don't know.
You know.
Yeah.
Don't hit me, please.
Just wait tomorrow.
What? No. Tomorrow's a
Okay,
nice day.
continue.
Sam
That
is
behind.
Are you that far behind?
You call me dumb? That's very nice. It's not very nice. Quite hurtful, you know. That's an easy way to hurt someone's feelings,
I'm sorry.
and then they might end up resenting you. That's okay. You're wiping it out. It's okay. See, obviously you don't mean it.
Sure.
Keep watching. Okay, so we've done that. Now let's do the brush size thing. Okay. What can we use for the brush? Any ideas?
No,
That's not very helpful, is it, Nathan?
I'm here to help.
Who's Tech Fan 23? Anyways,
Pick his name.
I have no idea.
This user has no bio. You know,
I might have a feeling.
how are you meant to internet stalk someone if they haven't got a
I
bio?
hate you,
Gosh,
Declan.
damn it.
I hate you.
It's probably Candy Nukes.
No, it's not.
Why?
It's
Who is it?
my friend,
Who?
Declan.
Why is he watching?
I don't know. Because he
He
can.
wants to learn some C#.
Yeah.
I know, but like, did you give
educate
him the
himself.
link or something?
No. He liked the page ages ago, remember?
No.
Yeah, we're using the
No. It's. Yeah, okay. Just continue.
Okay.
We've had to deal with hecklers before, it's okay.
I want to get some sort of. Is it called track bar on this? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna use something that I've not used before again, which is a track bar.
What's a track bar?
It's basically like a slider in Java.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see this. Does it have a maximum value? A property, yes, it does. So maximum.
What are you going to use that to change the colour?
No, change the brush size.
Okay.
He's asking if you're using Windows.
Yeah, you said yes.
Who said yes?
Sam did.
When?
Wow.
Like 3-4 minutes ago. This
on,
guy
on the chat.
says I don't pay attention,
Yeah.
and then
No,
doesn't
but
pay
my
attention
chat is not
himself.
showing Sam's messages then.
Not on the chat. I just vocalized it. I said yes, we are
Oh.
using Windows.
Okay. What else would we use?
Mac.
Whoa. I don't think Visual Studio
This guy.
is Mac.
For God's sake, Dan.
You guys are doing it wrong.
We are using those. Really, Dan?
Okay, so minimum is 1, because you cannot have a brush size at 0. That would be stupid. And it goes up to 10. What do you say he's on about? What? Okay. For the sake of the people that watch YouTube, I'll change to the full view. So, yeah. Let's just call it track bar, or like slider brush size. To be honest, it's not really a brush size, it's more like a pen size. Yeah. Okay, so what methods do we have? Scroll size changed. Event raised when the value of size property is changed on control. Yeah, this is one I want. So okay, so this changes then p dot brush. Is it brush? P dot width. What's width? Actually, I'm going to look at the constructor for pen. So, constructor for pen requires brush. Okay, so yeah, it's the width. So, p dot width equals to slider dot. I don't even know. It's probably value. Value. What's value? So, get such generic represents position of the scroll box. I don't know. Let's just test it. So if we set it to 2, I don't think this. Whoa, what's this? Whoa, it's not working as I expected. So this is not what I wanted to do.
What? Apparently,
What?
Disney has confirmed Incredibles 2 and Cars 3.
Oh yeah, I've read that.
And you didn't think to tell me? Thanks.
Who's Grandmaster Dog, by the way?
Someone, probably, I don't know.
That you probably know.
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you giving the link to people?
I'm not giving the link to anyone.
Sure. We're here to learn, so if you don't want to learn, just go.
Oh, Carlos is kicking you guys out already.
Well, what do you want me to do?
I don't know.
Banhammer's coming out.
I'm not banning anyone. Yeah, Jeff.
Oh yeah, Jeff.
It's actually Jeffrey.
Jeff.
Use the right name,
No.
please.
No, it's just Jeff.
It's Jeffrey.
Jeff.
He used to be a butler in a past life.
Jeffa? Because there's an unneeded F. What else? Oh, there's a joke.
No, just do the work.
Okay, maybe I'm gonna get a label and then maybe I'll just get the label to show the current size.
Well done. Wow. A rough drinker.
Thanks.
Label 1.text equals to slider pen size dot value, and let's see if that actually changes if I change this. Oh wait, I'm doing something wrong. It's an int, so I have to convert it to string. I always
Not
forget.
as ugly as you, Daniel.
I always forget
not
that
you, Dan.
C#
Talking to
does
Daniel.
this. Cannot implicit convert int to string.
No. Serious business, not you. I'm talking to Grandmaster Dog. Fucking sket slut.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, maybe I'm getting the wrong value.
A sket slut.
Sket slut. He's a quender, I'd go as far to say.
Uh, which one should it be? I want an int. Dog, posing cursor, created, controls, can't focus. Well, can select? Nope. Okay, time to do some Googling. Track bar C# example. So dot scroll event occurs when the mouse moves the scroll box. Okay, maybe I'm using the wrong method. Let's change it. Let's change this to scroll then. Why are you laughing?
Well,
I'm reading the chat.
What does this chat say?
What does the chat say?
well,
The
they
hell?
decided that Nathan's ugly, you're hot, and I sound like a rough drunk.
Oh.
No, a rough drinker, sorry.
You are though, Sam.
How am I a rough drinker?
Okay, I
mean-
think this works now. Yeah.
What does that even sound like? Would you care to give me a demonstration of what a rough drinker sounds like?
Can you just say, hey, hello, my name is Sam?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we made
I
brush size work.
totally tapped that tight little starfish. What?
I don't even know what that means.
Neither do I. You made it so. Oh wow, it looks so beautiful, Carlos.
I know, my artistic skills are amazing. Wait for it, wait, I'm gonna add a shade of red. And then I'm gonna add a lot of shade of grey.
Picasso, right here.
I'm gonna add 50 shades of grey. One,
I'm leaving.
2,
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
3 shades of grey.
Are you serious? Okay.
4 shades of grey. I'm kidding, I'm not gonna do 50.
Just the fact that you made that reference in the first place.
Why? You have that for Nathan.
It's a little bit concerning. So,
Everyone knows what the book is. Okay? And I'm gonna get a design error. I'm gonna get rid of it. Oh, it's on line 69.
I don't know what.
The error
Sam,
is
what's
on
going
line
on?
69.
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't even know who those people are, but I think they're friends of Nathan.
Hey, is he only just figuring that out?
Yep, I think so.
Oh,
Who, me?
yeah.
No,
Yes,
I know
you-
Tech Fan is your friend, but Grandmaster Dog's probably another one of your friends.
Well done.
You have very cool friends.
They're amazing.
They're here to learn, apparently.
They are.
Welcome to the learning place. We're about to get a lot of visitors, by the way. Because we're that famous.
Yep.
So, hang on to your time. Oh, what's this? Whoa. There's more people.
Who is this one now? This is Antonio. Yeah, that's Antonio.
Great.
What are they saying, Roman?
Yeah, we're gonna get a
Bonus.
lot of viewers right now, so...
Okay, just continue.
That's a good thing, just ignore them. Yeah.
No, okay, let me change to the full view so people can read the chat on YouTube. Yeah, so that's what people have been saying on YouTube, on the chat,
Twitch.
Twitch. Yeah, I just had a Twitch as well. But I'll probably make the chat box a bit bigger. So.
I can't. Just continue coding. We only have 30 minutes left.
We kind of done it. I'm just adding extra stuff now.
Oh.
Shows how much you're paying attention. Fucking hell.
Okay, what other features should I put? We have something that chooses the color. We have the brush size. And what else can we have? We should have a clear button so it clears the thing.
Add a rubber.
Oh, let's add a rubber then. Rubber. Is it rubber or an eraser? That is the question.
Depends which country you're from.
Yes. Sure.
Button eraser.
You know the views hasn't spiked at all. Oh, there it is.
22, wow.
Wait for it. It's kind of slow though, so we might not even pick up.
Why is it just gone up to 22?
Magic.
Yeah, but yeah.
People are trying to get monies, you know.
You have to pay us.
You guys do live cams.
Private session.
Okay, so the eraser should just create like a brush. We'll just change the pen into like a brush of size.
We do have a MyCams account though.
Shh.
We do?
Yep.
Well, I didn't even know.
You know that webcam in the corner of your room, Carlos?
There's
Kind of hooked it up to a wireless repeater.
What? There's a cam in my room.
Okay. Yes. Shh. Don't need to talk about that right now. No. Ashley is not in this thing.
Are you sure?
Why have our like viewers gone to 140 and I'm really confused? What?
You know, magic. You know. just happens, Sam.
It's because he is a vagina face.
Hey, guys, can we not? Can we be
Are we gonna start the Ashley bash? Ash bash. Ash. What?
Come on, guys, behave.
Okay, let's continue.
Okay, so I made an eraser, and I've realized maybe I should. I'm gonna try and do something different again. I'm gonna make it so like it kind of shows. You know on Paint when you select the rubber and it gets like a square around your cursor thing. Do you know what I'm on about?
No.
Like if you go on Paint.
Yeah,
And then you get the
yeah.
rubber.
Photoshop as well.
Yes, so basically I'm gonna try and simulate that effect. If that
Okay.
makes sense. Okay,
Let's do that, Carlos.
sure. Okay, so this will happen when we're moving, but we're not actually drawing. So it's gonna be on else. So G dot draw a rectangle, P start end. Is that enough? No, I need the size as well. 16 by 16, I guess. Okay, so I need an actual X value. So E dot X and E dot Y. And well, let's see if this actually shows anything. No, it doesn't do what I want. Null reference exceptionals unhandled. Why? Wait, I even start the PDF here. Okay, so oh right, because G was never actually created. So G equals to panel drawing board dot create graphics. And let's see. Well, it keeps on drawing it. This is not exactly what I wanted. And I should probably do p dot width equals to 1. P dot width equals to slider pen size dot value. Yeah. And let's see this. Okay, it's kind of like what I wanted, but he keeps on drawing it. Oh, this looks cool. This looks cooler than I was expecting. Okay, so this would basically... Okay, I'm now trying to think about how I'm gonna do this. This is trickier than I was expecting.
It's okay, Carlos. You can do it.
Okay, I have an idea. Let's create a second graphics object and see if this will help.
Did we?
Yeah. Refresh.
It's 160 for me.
Well, for me, the 3 changed to a 4 at the beginning.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Until everyone paused the video and closed out. Yep.
So G2 and then G2.clear. Let's see if this actually works. Nope. What takes your arguments?
Not working, Carlos.
What's not working?
Why is it not working?
What's not working? I'm fixing it.
Disappointing.
Do you want to try do it, Declan? Probably.
This is coding on the go, by the way. I've never actually used this.
Carlos doesn't know what he's doing for once.
So that's cool.
What?
Oh yeah, put a while loop in.
That is... That's gonna totally fix it, let you know.
Create a pixelated
Creative.
file.
Call it Nathan. Ow.
This is weird.
Oh, my back.
Okay, so right now it's just not showing because I've got the clear on. Go back. Okay, so
Thank you, Nathan.
Yeah.
thank you for what?
Nothing.
Oh well, okay, this is not doing what I wanted it to. Let me see. G2 equals to panel drawing board dot get create graphics. I guess let's see if this works. I'm having fun with these squares, to be honest. Quite fun.
You don't get it to work.
Well, not yet. We'll get there eventually, I think.
Eventually.
I should probably just change the cursor to something else. That'll be easier, but, you know, is that fun?
No.
Let me see. Google different graphics layers. Let's see, sure.
Yay! I'm gonna find stuff.
Graphics, bitmaps, graphics.
Oh, ba-da-ba-ba-ba. What? Shut up, Declan. Your face is embarrassing. Your whole existence is embarrassing. And you should learn how to be a. Ooh, yeah. Ooh.
Oh, Mishy's getting involved now. Get on.
What are they expecting to learn?
You don't know how to Google stuff. Google, okay? Should we tell a story about how someone is called Google?
Someone's called
I don't know this story. I think you should go ahead.
Yeah.
Just wanna. Tech fan, do you want to know how?
No, I think this is a good story to tell. It's getting up to bedtime. We need to hear a story before we can sleep.
There. We don't need to see your shadow throat.
By the way, if you guys on
What?
that, okay. You just call me Carlo.
Carlo. Yeah, he doesn't know grammar.
I'm
I'll have you know, it's pronounced
Carlo.
Kashaw!
Whoa.
Be precise.
Yeah.
With a J.
Apparently there's a new thing called, it's not new, but there's something else called drawing controls, and I'm trying to find out how to use it.
Sounds amazing.
Well, it is, but you know what, let's make something lame. Instead of doing all of this, I'm gonna make it so I get a random color every time I do a square, and it's gonna look pretty cool. Like we don't, I don't know, like, you know. So for this I'm gonna need to create a random variable. So let's create it up here. Random equals to new random. And I'm gonna create 3 ints so I can get 2 colors. So R1 equals to random.next, and it has to go from 0 to 255 because it's a color. So R2 equals to rand.next 0 255. R3 equals to rand. Let me get this out of the way. Next 0 255, and now I'm going to create the color based on this. So p.color equals to color dot from a red, green, and blue, and just simply put R1, R2, and R3. And that should create a random color every time, and I want to make sure that I get the right color for when I'm actually drawing. So color dialog.color. So let's see this. So when I start, I create different colored squares. This looks really cool. Let's get the eraser. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the eraser.
Ah, those are probably are the pictures that they're talking about.
So I've seen that firsthand. I don't need any more pictures of that.
Yeah.
I have no idea what you guys are on about, but I feel like I
That's
shouldn't.
not a very good eraser, to be honest. Like,
It doesn't actually erase.
really?
It just draws black. What?
It just draws squares over the top.
It's amazing. You wish you could have that.
Just steal the code and have it. I wish.
Let's change the color. I'm gonna make it an eraser. There it is. Thing is, it will draw squares because that's what I'm doing. But yeah, I felt like that was a cool thing to do. So I'm getting a random color every time I move my mouse. Whee. Okay, so we came to the conclusion that the eraser does not work like I wanted it to.
Great. Great.
Oh well,
Um,
who cares, right? So let's just go back to what we had before. So a simple drawing with an. Why isn't the eraser? Oops. Okay, I know what. So we need to create an else if drawing and eraser. No, I'm gonna create another variable for the eraser. But before that we need the button for the actual brush. So we can swap between eraser and brush. So button brush and just change it to brush. And now create the boolean eraser. So bool eraser equals to false. If we click the button, then it becomes true. And if we click brush, then eraser equals to false. And after that, the eraser should work or not. Oh yeah, wait, I didn't change that. So if I'm pressing drawing and it's an eraser, and if I'm doing drawing and not eraser, then do that. If I'm drawing an eraser, then just do g.panel.graphics g.line and end equals to elocations. Well, I need that. And see this now? So this, yeah, okay. Let me change the brush, and it works fine. And we can change color again, fine. Get the eraser, just delete. Probably, maybe change the cursor when the eraser is on, so that will probably be in panel board. If drawing plus eraser, then do this dot cursor equals to cursor dot no, cursor dot cross. Let's just test.
what would you like me to ask, Grandmaster Dog?
I do, but you just asked a very weird question earlier.
To be fair, the last question he asked was how many of you have seen each other's dicks?
Beep.
So,
I'm trying to add a
doesn't
censor.
seem like you're too interested in learning, if I'm honest.
I'm adding some sort of censoring on this channel, but I guess it's not working.
What, censoring?
Yes. Cursor. Okay. So I'm only gonna change the cursor on that, and I'm gonna do.
Where are you from, Carlos?
From the place?
Japan?
Japan. Yes, that definitely.
He's butchers.
That's exactly where I'm from.
Mm-hmm.
They have a lot.
Good. It was a very good question, Grandmaster Duck.
Uh-huh. App starting. What's app starting? I don't even know what this one is. Let's see.
Do you even know how to code?
It's just like you see the. It's just the cursor with the loading thing on the top. I'm just testing different type of cursors. I'm gonna set it to H split. Don't even know what that is, but yeah. And else if not drawing, then just set the cursor to normal. So panel drawing board cursor goes to cursors dot default. So if you're not drawing, then the cursor is just normal, and then if we're drawing, oh okay, I know what it is now, the H split. And if it's an eraser, then it just becomes this cross thingy. It doesn't actually show on the stream, which is weird. I just realized. I don't think XSplit notices it. But yeah.
What's true?
Hey, baby.
Why did you put that on? Hey, baby.
They wanted Nathan to say you wanted to smell nice.
Oh, your hair smells nice.
Your hair smells nice. See?
Your hair smells nice.
Oh, it was Indian accent.
Yeah, that was a bit different. I didn't even know that.
Is this
You must be the square root of 2.
No, that's
Because
the wrong
I
one.
feel irrational around you. Your hair
I
smells
just made the
nice.
flag.
Yep.
Just made the Romanian flag. What?
What did you do?
I think I made the Romanian flag by mistake. Well, not by mistake, by accident.
To go us radical. if that's
Multiple
the flag.
goats attacked him.
What would you do if multiple gods attacked you, Carlos?
Multiple goats?
Yeah.
With a sexual intention as well.
I don't know.
They're attacking you with a sexual intention.
You know, I think I'll just go with it. You know, what can you do? They're goats.
Yeah, true.
What?
What?
Okay.
This is the
We
best.
finished then.
This is the best app I've made in my whole life.
You're just drawing.
Well, isn't that the point of this?
No.
TechNewbs. Okay, so let's look at the chat. I'm not censoring this on YouTube, by the way. What was the last? What was the last thing we said? Oh, by the way, the chat's going to be recorded, so everything you guys say is going to be on YouTube. Whoa. Okay, Nathan sounds ugly.
You reading the whole thing?
No, I'm not going to read it. I just saw that. You guys, okay, we've seen that.
We have it. No, we don't.
No, don't say that.
Don't.
Okay,
You
Sam
do.
hates Romanians.
Sam.
Just
Yeah.
got me killed.
Sam
Sam is the
hates
one
them.
that hates
God.
Romanians, and
Just got me killed.
I think Sam will die.
it's okay,
We're
Sam.
gonna hear like her shriek in a minute.
Sam.
My door like swing open.
Sam.
Oh, right. He said, I don't think it's good to laugh in Romanian flag.
Yeah, Sam. You're using your real name. I will find and fuck your what?
Win the fight over in Carlos.
Carlos is the Wolverine,
Yeah.
so
Oh,
he can't kill himself.
Sam, why are you not mods anymore? Wait, you're using
Because I had to make a new
account.
account. Because my other one like didn't work.
Couldn't log in.
Pretty much. I had the password saved, and then when I reinstalled Windows, I no longer had the password saved. So kind of couldn't log in.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we managed to make a cool app, I guess. This is so random. So yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed to us on YouTube right now, it's a way to help us out, I guess. Probably not. I don't know. You guys
No.
hate us, right? Yeah, maybe.
Everyone hates us. Okay,
I wanna cry.
it's okay, Carlos.
Anyways,
Bye.
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 Where are you going?
Where you going?
I thought we were finished.
No. I haven't said
Oh.
thank you for watching on my app.
Dang it.
I have
Sorry.
to draw my beautiful writing. Thank you for watching.
You shouldn't masturbate at all, tech fan. It's a sin.
Oh,
Never.
shall I add a red heart as well?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. What else can I add? I'm gonna add Nathan's favorite thing.
Oh no.
Chicken? No, cricket, sorry.
What else can I add? Sam's favorite thing. What's Sam's favorite thing? Sam?
Sheep.
Sheep.
I was gonna say, you're not gonna jump on that one, Nathan. You know.
Let's add a sheep as well then. I'm not very good at drawing sheep though. But my app is amazing, so I can draw sheep quite well. Meh. Oh, sorry.
How are you gonna do their white wall?
I just
Make
didn't
that
grab.
Just a quick question. With the white background, how are you gonna achieve that?
Black wool.
That cool.
I
I'm
just
not
use
into
grey.
them. I only like the white walled ones.
Middle ground, grey.
Yes, I guess.
I need to add some eyes as well.
Is this really just going to be the last 10 minutes, Carlos drawing?
Well, do you like your favorite thing, Nathan?
I saw what it was.
To be fair, he didn't go with what I said, so a little bit offended.
Mm-hmm.
So he thinks that I don't know you very well, but I clearly do.
Yes, I like Linus's tech man. Idiot. Spell. Get it right.
What? Why do they generally do? What? What?
Why
Are they
did this
missing
then-
letters in there? I don't get.
Yes.
Okay.
They're stupid people.
Well,
I'm friends with them just to make myself feel better about myself.
explains a lot.
Oh yeah, I need to add Sam to this then.
What you need to add me to?
I'm adding you to the thing.
To the picture.
What picture?
The stream.
I'm looking at the stream. There's the sheep thing. But
Yeah, I'm adding you next to the sheet.
Oh. Wow.
Have you ever experienced considered sexual contact with men?
No.
Carlos, when was the
Am I
first
doing no
time you
Never.
hands?
lifted
No,
this
just
up?
there.
You know, I can read the chat. It's on my other screen.
Is that how you spell my name? Because it looks like a messed up S with just a few squiggly lines.
Yeah.
What's that?
Isn't that what you're called? You're
Nathan
called
is a
S.
much
My name's written all pretty.
Okay, time to zero
yeah.
it and
Nathan's
then.
name's much prettier than that. You made the program, not us.
Whatever. Gosh. Sam. Hope you're happy now.
Can't see it yet. I'll try.
I know.
See it when if I'm happy.
Sure. Boyzone? What? What?
Who doesn't like Boyzone?
Exactly right.
That's what I was about to
I
say.
mean, you got some major issues if you don't.
We still have 739 people coming in.
Really?
On
I've only got
price.
19 people.
No, it's at price, so like it's friendly.
Carlos, I can show you a phone.
You know, I'm not even mad. They're like lighting up this thing, so they're making this.
The more interactions we get, the better. So.
Yeah, just,
That's money, thanks.
yeah, but we don't get money. And we this for free. Don't forget to donate.
You're good at something.
There's a donate button. There's a donate button.
I know. But donate.
Okay, bye. Yeah.
Okay,
I'll
it's
donate
10
your face.
o'clock, so it's time to go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good night. Good.
So goodbye, chat. Goodbye,
Bye.
Twitch. Goodbye.
I hate all of you guys.
Don't forget to like our Facebook page, follow us on
No.
Twitter, subscribe to us on
Don't.
YouTube, and annoy
No,
Nathan
don't.
more. Okay? Bye bye.
Make sure you take that last one very seriously. Okay.
What the hell? Okay.
Um,
Bye.